So, friends, I think you must have guessed what I'm going to do. Yes, you are absolutely right. I'm just going to make the red chilies pickle, and this is for the very first time. So, I thought if I am making red chilies pickle, then why don't I teach some sentences and some vocabulary to my learners so that they can enhance their communication skill? They can learn something from this video, and in this way, I'll be able to kill two birds with a single stone. My pickles will be ready, and I'll be able to teach my learners something new in this video. So, without any further ado, let's get deep dive into the video. And hello everyone, welcome back once again on my YouTube channel English with Dehati ma'am. Hope you must be doing amazing. And as you can see, I am sitting on the terrace with some chilies and a platter full of all the spices. So I am totally ready, completely ready for making the spices, and my these chilies, they had been waiting for me for 1 week because these chilies were bought 1 week ago. But just because of I was not feeling well, I was quite unwell. I was going through headache, stomach ache, and vomiting as well. So even the day was not so good. The day was really gloomy because it was cloudy, foggy, it was raining here. But today, after a very long time, it was such a bright, sunny day. So, after finishing all my household chores, then I thought, why don't I complete my task? Because it's been a very long time and I can't put it off, because otherwise, if I'll keep doing this thing, then all the ingredients will be ruined, and then I will regret it. So I don't want to make me embarrassed. That's why I'm doing it. So let me tell you first of all the things, all the ingredients which I have used into making these pickles. So first thing is fennel seeds, then cumin seeds, coriander seeds, carom seeds, fenugreek seeds, mustard seeds, and black pepper, black seeds, turmeric, asafoetida. I have also added it, rock salt, and Tata salt, and along with that, oil. Yes, friends, oil, mustard oil. It is very important ingredient for making these pickles. So first of all, what I did in the morning, I just washed all the pickles, and after that, I just put all the pickles in the sun to just get dry. And after drying, then I made a slit in between the chilies, in between each and every chili, like बीच में से चीरा लगाना. I मैंने हर एक मिर्ची के बीच में से चीरा लगाया. And after that I removed all the seeds from the chilies. Yes, friends, we have to remove all the seeds from the chilies and the pulp which is there inside the chilies. And after that, I went downstairs. I just roasted all the spices, all the ingredients which I have mentioned using a wok. And after that, I just let all the spices cool down. And after cooling down, then I just made a coarse powder, not a fine powder. I didn't made a fine powder using grinding stone. We have to just make a dardara kind of powder for making the pickles. And after that, I heated up one bowl like oil in that wok, and then I took one bowl of oil, and I just got all the ingredients ready, and I came downstairs, sorry, upstairs. And after that, I started making these pickles. So we have to take one pickle and we have to fill the stuffing into these pickles so that we can enjoy it, we can relish it with everything. We can relish it with roti, with paratha, with the rice, with dal, with everything. And I know that in the, especially in the villages, people, they love making it. And these kind of chilies, these red chilies, are only available during winters. We can't get it into summers. So if you're also willing to have it, then you can go into the market, you can buy it from the market, and you can enjoy. And in this way, so I am just filling this stuffing one by one. And firstly when I filled the stuffing, then I didn't fill it very full. And when some spices were, all the mixture of spices were left, so I just filled it again, and in this way I just properly filled all the chilies. And then I will wait for it. I will just keep these, I will just put this red chilies into the sun to just get dry. And I have also ordered two glass jar, because I think we should keep the pickles only in the glass jar, we should not keep it in the plastic jar. So I have ordered it, and I think I'll get the delivery by tomorrow. So I will wait till tomorrow, and when I will get the delivery like of the jar, then after cleaning or washing all the jars completely, both jars completely, then I will again heat up oil. And just by dipping one by one these chilies in the hot oil, then I will put these chilies in the jar, and then I will keep these chilies at least for 5 days directly in the sun. Then only this pickle will be ready. This pickle, all these red chilies will get softened, and it will be ready for having it, for relishing it. So in this way our red chili pickle will be ready. And to be honest, I'm just telling you, so far I have never ever made red chili pickle. It is my very first time, and I was quite nervous as well, because I was not sure about the ingredients. But just because of, as we know nowadays, every recipe is available on YouTube, so I checked more than 10 videos on YouTube, and after that I decided to make it. However, many people, they use their different ways for making it, but I used my own way as per my choice. Let's see how will it turn out. I just hope it will taste good. Otherwise, my husband, if it will get spoiled, then my husband will definitely scold me, and I don't want it to be done. So, in this way, I have taught you many things. I have just narrated all the things, and I just made my pickle as well. So, tell me, have you ever made pickles or not? And if you have made, so do you like making pickles or not? And I just want to say only one thing: no matter what you are doing, you do household chores, you make pickles, or whatever you do, just keep thinking every single sentence in English. So, one sentence which was really very important, कि चीरा लगाना. We normally say we just cut it, but जब हम किसी चीज़ में से चीरा लगाते हैं, so we say just make a slit in the middle of the chili. Okay, so this sentence which I really want to tell you, and you should just use it, because हम बहुत सी चीज़ें होती हैं जिसमें चीरा लगाते हैं. So you can use this sentence into your day-to-day life. And now my chilies are ready. My pickle is ready, and now definitely my husband will enjoy it, and he will definitely, I hope, he just pat on my back. Otherwise, he will definitely scold me. So just keep doing your speaking practice. You can do everything. You can make pickles as well. You can make your life spicy, interesting, just by all the spices. So you should have all kind of spices of emotions. And we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself.